everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Shirley and today I would love to show you how to make one of my Sunday favorites, fish bake. It's so easy to make and you only need a few ingredients that you might just have in your pantry. So if you would love to learn how to make this delicious fish bake with me, stay tuned and let's get started. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 4 or 5 hake fillets cut into medium-sized pieces, 4 or 5 potatoes sliced thinly, shredded cheese. I'm using Gouda, but you can use any cheese of your choice. About 300 to 350 ml of full cream fresh milk, some fish spice, and here I have a combination of onion powder, garlic powder, a little herbs and flour with salt and pepper. So let's get started. Step 1. Pre-cook your potatoes on the stove top in a pot with some water. Sprinkle with a little salt and allow this to boil for about 10 minutes. Step 2. It's time to spice the fish. Using your fish spice, sprinkle over the fish and rub in gently. This will allow the spice to cook right into the fish. Then transfer this to an oven-proof dish. Step 3. Once your potatoes have completely cooled off, layer this on top of the fish, but don't worry if they overlap. The more potatoes, the better. Then into your mold, add in the other spice. There should be some onion powder, garlic powder, mixed herbs, flour, salt, and pepper. Then pour this over your potatoes. Step 4. This is my absolute favorite part. Cheese. Add some cheese to your dish, lots of cheese. Then sprinkle with some thyme and black pepper. Ah, that smells delicious. All done. Now serve warm and enjoy. That's it, all done. Now you can enjoy this delicious fish bake with your family. Thanks for watching. See you next time.